Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a full tutorial for Todoist. Now this tutorial will cover all the basic features so that you can begin getting started and start boosting your productivity. So when we first open up Todoist, we will be brought to this inbox page, and this is a place to put all your tasks that you haven't yet organised. So for example, if you come up with a task that you do have to do at some point, but you're not sure exactly when you have to do it by, you could put it in this inbox so that you don't forget about it. And then when you know when it's due, you can simply drag it and move it to wherever you need. Now you can also hover over it and come over to these three dots here. And here we have the option to put it to today, later this week, this weekend, next week, or no date. Now in this option, we also have priority, so we can choose how important it is to be done. So for example, if it was really important, we could choose priority 1. And all our priority 1 tasks could be at the top of the list so that we make sure that they get done first. Now in this section, you can also edit your task. So if you need to change what the text is, you can do that simply by just editing it and then changing it to what you like. And then when you're done, you can click save. Now in order to add a new task, you simply just click this add task button. And then from there, we can simply type exactly what we need to do. So let's just say I needed to walk my dog. I could put that priority 1, due date today. And then we can go ahead and click add task. And that will now be added into our today section as well. And then when we complete it, we can tick this box. And as you can see, we're all done for today. Now we can also head over to this upcoming section. And here we can see a few days in the future. We can start planning our week this way. So for example, let's just say we needed to walk our dog every day. We can click on the more task actions and then click duplicate. From there, we can drag it into tomorrow. And then we can basically just repeat this process for as long as we need to do it. Now something else that's cool about Todoist is they actually have some plugins. So if we click on these three dots again, we can come down to this section where it says add extension. And here we can add a few things to help us out. So they have a habit tracker, a task helper, templates, AI assistant, conversation starters, and also you can export to Google Sheets. The way this could actually help us is if we were to do a habit tracker, we could choose this, and this will actually help us track our task and maintain good habit. Now we can also head over to filters and labels, and we can assign certain filters to our tasks to help us understand what they are and how important they are. So for example, we can see our priority 1s here, and these are the ones that we need to get done. And there's also this section for read under labels. This can be especially useful if you're trying to read a book or something, and you need Todoist to remind you. So if you have this section where it says read, you can click this, and here we can link to the books that we're reading currently, and we can add that tag to know that it is something we need to do. Now, as well as just completing tasks, Todoist can be useful for creating new routines. So we can head over to this section where it says My Projects. And from here, we can actually add in some routines and also some inspiration. So in this routine example, one of them is do a weekly review of my tasks and goals. So you can keep this here to remind you to get that done. And over time, as you keep doing this, eventually it will become ingrained in your brain and you will just start doing it naturally. Now, as well as all these features, you can also go up here, and this allows us to set our goals. So we can set daily or weekly goals and review our productivity trends and watch karma points grow. So in order to set our goals, we'd simply just click this button here, and this will open our settings where we can actually see this productivity tab. So here they give us some Todoist karma, and this is basically to encourage you to complete your daily or weekly tasks. And as you can see here, you can change how many tasks you have to do a day. So if you needed to do 5 tasks a day and 30 tasks a week, you can set it to this, and you can also have this goal celebration on. And then when you complete those tasks, it will celebrate and it will also give you some karma. And this is to kind of encourage you to carry on doing those tasks. Now there's a few more features with Todoist, but these are the main ones. And now that you've watched this video, you should understand all the basics and begin setting this up for yourself. And you should be able to start boosting your productivity with this app. Now, I also hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.